Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Cudy Dual Band M3600 BE3600 Wi-Fi 7 Wi-Fi mesh system. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, Cudy Dual Band BE3600 Wi-Fi system is a modern home networking device that uses the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology to give you faster wireless speed. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. In the first step, plug the power adapter into the first Cudy BE3600 unit. Wait until the LED light turns solid or blinking white. Use an Ethernet cable to connect. Modem LAN port Cudy BE3600 WAN/Internet port. Check the label under the mesh unit. Note the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, or Wi-Fi password. On your phone or PC, connect to this default Wi-Fi network. You can also connect via LAN cable to the mesh unit. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. Type one of the following in the address bar: http://cudy.net or http://192.168.10.1. Press Enter. This opens the Cudy Setup Wizard. You'll see Create Admin Password. Enter a strong password, click Next/Apply. This password is for router login, not Wi-Fi. Select Internet connection type. Choose the correct type provided by your ISP. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, most common. Select Dynamic IP, then click Next. Second is PPPoE, username password. Used by some fiber. Then enter the PPPoE username and password. Click Next. Third one is Static IP. Enter IP, gateway, DNS, ISP provided, then click Next. Enter your new Wi-Fi name, SSID. Set a strong Wi-Fi password. Choose same SSID for 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, recommended, or separate names, advanced users. Click Save/Apply. Wi-Fi 7 features auto-optimize in background. Your router will reboot, 1 to 2 minutes. Manual setup is now complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.